Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the poem The Way Spain Was by Pablo Neruda in detail. Before starting the video, let me tell you that this is an initiative to explore the detailed text of English Honours and Master Degree syllabus. If you like the channel, then please subscribe it and get the notification of other videos. At first, we have to know the background of the poem and Neruda's connection to the Spain. The poem is written on the background of Spanish Civil War, which took place between 1936 to 1939. The main reason of this civil war was power politics and economic turmoil. Now, let's discuss about Neruda's connection to Spain. Basically, Neruda was a Chilean poet. He was born in Chile, and Chile was under Spanish colonialism for a long time, like India was under British colonialism. So there is the connection. Chile and Spain maintained a good relationship and they had a treaty of peace also. Pablo Neruda loved Spain and he was officially and emotionally attached to Spain. Even he took part in the Spanish Civil War. So this is the background of the poem. And in this poem, Neruda describes the condition of Spain, which is devastated by civil war. Now let's come to the text. The first stanza of the poem begins, Spain was a taut, dry drum head, daily beating a dull thud, flatlands and eagle's nest, silence lashed by the storm. Here, taut means stretched or pulled tight. The poet wants to refer that Spain was under pressure during the civil war. And the use of the word dry, the poet wants to denote that the land is dry now. There is no cultivation because it is completely devastated now. So the line goes, Spain was a taut, dry, drumhead daily beating a dull thud. Drumhead daily beating. Drumhead means the country. By the use of the words drumhead, use of the phrase drumhead, the poet wants to say that the country is like a drumhead now. It is making only dull sounds. Means the affairs of the country are pushed to the limit and they pounded like drums. The phrase drumbeat reminds one of the Civil War. Flatlands and eagle's nest, silence lashed by the storm. Here flatlands means the plain lands, means the ground level. And eagle's nest refers to the highlands, because generally eagles make their nest on the top of the hill or the top of the tree. So flatlands means the ground level, means the plain lands, and eagle's nest means highlands. Here the poet wants to say that from plain lands to highlands means from top to bottom all over the land the silence prevails now. Why? Because of the effect of the storm, means the civil war. And the word of the meaning of the word lashed is to hit with a lot of force. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, then please subscribe my channel.